Alright guys, today I have something new for you. This is a nice espresso Infinissima by KRUPS and I'm gonna check it out. I also have some nice coffee. This is Latte Macchiato Amaretto, which I'm gonna try. It's a limited edition coffee. And here's the new thing. So let's get it started. I think we should plug it in. I just unpacked it and I'm gonna try to make a new coffee. Okay, the good news about this, it's easy to operate. So unlike the others, you don't actually need to remove it to refill the water. So this is a definite advantage. You can just put it there. And well, this is a nice gadget. In order to elevate the cup, you can just move it up easily and well, you twist it and it stays there. And the design is kind of really nice. So let's check it out, guys. Again, it's easy to move up and it's easy to move down. Alright, what about the device in here? Well, you open it not nicely like usual. You take out this thing. Alright. Here's the thing to pour water in, and this we can actually remove, or you can keep it in maybe for the first disinfection. Alright, so how do we put it in again? Easy, put it there, close it nicely. It's a manual one, so you can actually adjust the amount of water you need to give to your coffee on your own, so the machine does not do that like with the ones which are set or preset. And that's how you're gonna go. Alright, let's put some water inside. I always use some filters in actually to prevent the lime scale from getting there. So this is a good thing to extend your life cycle of the machine. And now let's put it on. As you can see, the machine is warming up. My guess is it will become green after it warms up. In the meantime, let me get a cup. And now it is green, so we can start actually doing the coffee. I'm gonna use this cup first to disinfect the machine slightly. Again, it's new, so I'm gonna pour a bit of the water through. And the cold one. Alright. So let's prepare the coffee. I'm putting another cup under. Let's open the machine up. This is Dolce Gusto Amaretto Latte, so or macchiato, sir. There we go. Two things you need. In other words, you will need a nice milk disc, or in this case, insert. Alright, you put this in, close it up, and there we go. You can actually make it more milky or less milky according to preferences. I like it more milky. Alright, now time to add the other capsule. This we can discard. And now the green one. So you can see that's the hot water. And we are putting it in. Oh, it smells beautifully. Okay, so this is the knob. Turn right for the hot water and you turn left for the cold water. So in fact it's manual and you can adjust as much as you want the amount of coffee that you're gonna do. Alright, so my coffee is ready. To avoid the coffee dripping, you can remove the cup now and put it or discard it, and then it's actually ready. Alright, I'm not gonna switch it off because my family member is gonna have the coffee as well. So thanks for watching, guys. See more of Dolce Gusto machines on our channel.